Hey guys, this is Pratheesh here. Here in this video, okay, this is a HDFCBANK June futures contract. Okay, June month futures contract. We have taken for explaining a very good case study over here. Okay, so how the crash happened in HDFCBANK and how could you anticipate it using market profile? Okay, via market generated informations. So that's what we are going to discuss over here. And before going into the session, okay, let me tell you some of the references that we have in HDFCBANK futures before playing out that Friday scenario. Okay, so to look forward in the Friday scenario, we had some of the important references as weak highs are there, which created on 21st May. Why it is weak high in the sense, if I zoom out this profile, you can see that all these highs are very close to each other. Okay, you can see that the A period and F period are exactly the same. Okay, that means in market profile we call it as a weak high. Okay, so if it is in the lower side of your profile, we call it as a poor lows. We'll be calling here. We'll be calling it as a poor highs or weak highs are there. Okay, so that is one information. Another information we carry forward over here is the intraday references like previous day high and previous day low. Okay, previous day high and previous day low, the intraday information. Okay, intraday references. And these are some of the short-term references we carry forward. One is that weak high is the short-term references. Until it gets cleared, we carry forward. So we got that on 21st May. So far, we have not cleared that actually. That is one information. Another information is that we had during this uptrend, okay, from 27th May till 30th May, we had a nice uptrending journey in HDFCBANK. Okay, during that journey, you can see the lot of prominent point of control is being created. Okay, 2 days we have a prominent point of control. So prominent point of control in the sense it's nothing but the point of control. Okay, the point of control, the black color dotted line over here. No more activity happens at a particular price in a day is what we call as a point of control. So if the point of control, okay, the letters, okay, the letters in this point of control is greater than 10. Okay, so market profile charts will plot you every 30 minutes as a bar, okay, indicated by an alphabet. Okay, it will start from A period, okay, B period, still you will get till M period. Okay, at the end of the session, you'll have an M period, last 15 minutes activity. So like this goes on. So each and every letter will be indicated by an alphabet. Each and every bar will be indicated by an alphabet. So what happens is prominent point of control is nothing but when you have more number of letters, okay, more number of letters at a particular point, which is greater than 10. Okay, it is equal to 10 or greater than or equal to 10. We call it as a prominent point of control. So what is the significance of this prominent point of control? The significance of prominent point of control is that the short-term players, okay, the players in the market are of various kinds. Okay, they may range from intraday, long-term, short-term, and swing traders. A lot of players are participating in the market, and this activity, which indicates the prominent point of control, is a short-term players activity. So short-term players are piling up the inventory. Okay, so that is what the inventory adjustment often happens in the market before, okay, we get a further move actually. Okay, so the inventory is getting built up by short-term players. The short-term players are don't have much holding time. Maybe they play for a week or a couple of weeks. Beyond that, they cannot hold the positions. They start liquidating, or if any bad news or if any slight dip in the price comes, they are the first guys who comes and liquidates the position. Okay, thereby you get an inventory adjustment over there. So that is the information which we get via prominent point of control. So when I was looking this HDFCBANK chart, okay, I thought, okay, poor highs or weak highs are there. Okay, so until and you get what you call prominent point of control. So definitely when you have, if you have a one prominent point of control, it's not at all a problem. But when you have more than two or more than 2 or 3, 4 prominent point of controls, either in an uptrend or in a downtrend, then it's an issue that short-term players are piling up the inventory. Okay, often an inventory adjustment happens, then market resumes the trend actually. So that is what normally happens. Okay, this inventory piling is done by short-term traders. So when I was looking at this chart, I was looking that, okay, let the Friday, I don't want to anticipate because weak highs are there. I thought, okay, let weak highs get cleared Friday. Then if we get a prominent point of control on Friday, then from Monday onwards, let me closely observe HDFC Bank so that if any breakout failure happens on Monday, as we have 3 prominent point of controls, assuming that Friday would be a prominent point of control day. Okay, then my anticipation was that, okay, we have a 3 prominent point of control. So if any breakout failure comes over here, okay, then we can target all these prominent point of controls and previous day low as my targets. So that was a positional target I was looking for this in HDFC Bank. But unfortunately or fortunately, something differently happened in the market. Okay, that's what we are going to see now, how we could anticipate this crash in HDFC Bank. Almost 100 points crash happened. How could we anticipate it via profile charts, and how could you play it? That is more important. Okay, looking at information and you don't have that confidence to play is not at all a good idea. So there are multiple conflicting informations over there in a live market. Okay, so let us wait for the informations to get clear, then you can go and play the game. Okay, when you have such conflicting informations, you are supposed to stay out of the market unless and until something favors in your move. Okay, so until that confidence is generated, until that market gives you that confirmation, don't go and play the guessing game over there. Okay, you will be taken for a ride by the smart money. Okay, always try to join the smart money. So that's what we are keeping repeatedly saying, that in our many videos we are repeatedly saying that always follow the smart money. So wait for such confirmations. Don't anticipate something and go and play the game. Okay, once everything is clear, go and play the game. Now let me play the charts for you. So this is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has opened over somewhere around here. Okay, I can zoom it and show you. Okay, this red color bar is there, no? Open. So it's open above the previous day high. It's going higher. Okay, I think that is letter A. So this is an optimum TPO size I'm using so that I'll be able to spot out the minute informations over there. If I use a higher TPO size, I'll be able to clearly see the letters over there. Okay, but letters have no significance, importance. Okay, the process is very important. So if I use a bigger letter, I'll miss out some minute informations over there. They may be very vital for trading. So I use a very optimum TPO size so that it's okay for me to trade with these minute informations, right? So let me play that scenario for you. So yeah, let me play this. So HDFC Bank has opened somewhere around here. Okay, this is your previous day high. Okay, let me pass this chart. The references we have marked as gone actually. So let me put you the references once again. Okay, this is one reference. These are all prominent point of controls. This was the important reference of such as what you called as the poor high or weak highs. Maybe I refresh the chart so the references have gone actually. No, it's not an issue. Okay, so as long as you know that these are all the weaker references, you can go and create it. You can go and plot it at any point of time. So weak high, right? So let's focus on what happens actually. And this is your previous day high. So previous day high. So market is trading. Okay, it's trading above the previous day high. Okay, so at the opening, its confidence was good, and it is again, you can see it's a multi-day breakout, right? It breaks out the 23rd May also, because these highs are very close to each other. Maybe some stocks would have been above this level, and they got triggered, and we are trading above that. And what happens is, at one point of time, we cleared that poor weak high also. Weak high was here, right? Somewhere around here. See how this information is running over here. There's a weak high we had, and here we got cleared that weak high. So this weak high is getting cleared over here. Okay, after that, market is coming into the range. So my confidence monitoring, okay, confidence monitoring for the rest of the session will be above this particular reference, that is the weak highs. If the buyers are really strong, okay, they have hunted the stops, some stops above this level, and if it is a good buying opportunity, okay, if it is a good buyers are coming over there, they would have done a lot of activity over here, then they would have taken the prices higher. Okay, but what we are seeing currently is that we had taken the stops on the higher side and we are trading inside the previous day's range, that range. Okay, this is the confidence measuring zone. Actually, if we get a lot of activity, we say that okay, buyers are strong, and we may say that okay, uptrend may continue, but it's not happening. You're getting an inside bar, next bar is an inside bar. So almost the sellers are not, they are not real buyers actually. They are some traders or some smart traders who know that stops are here. They have tickled the stops, okay? They have taken your stops and they are now trading inside the previous days, that range, inside the multi-day breakout range. Okay, it's a multi-day breakout. So most of the multi-day breakout again fails over here. This is another example, okay, which tells you that this is a multi-day failure. So let me speed up the process for you. So A period is getting B period, okay, everything is there, okay. So B period is running. All of a sudden, okay, all of a sudden what happens is you just go and break this poor high, comes down. And another one important information here to be noted is that once this C period gets completed, let me, yeah. Okay, so first 1 hour of activity is over. Okay, first 1 hour of activity is over. This is the third activity having over here, and you can see some of the blue color bars over here, right? One blue color bar is there, blue color hyphen something. That is nothing but the intra-bar halfback. Intra-bar halfback in the sense the high plus low divided by 2. The midpoint of that particular trading bar. That is intra-bar halfback. That is also an important references to be carried forward for an intraday, right? If more and more traders are coming and buying exactly. For example, if you have a period like this, the midpoint of the A period is somewhere around here. Okay, what happens is B period low will be exactly at very close to that A period halfback. Then from here we'll be bouncing higher. Then you will have something called as a midpoint of B period. Okay. Then again next period, next 30 minutes bar low will be exactly very close to this particular midpoint. Again from here bounces. If you have this kind of multiple informations, it reveals that intraday players are coming and buying at exact locations. So these are complete trading money, creating those kind of positions over there. And this is clearly visible that if you have more and more these kind of references in an uptrend, okay, one such liquidation, one such opposite move happens, what happens? No? These are the guys who buys here. No, these are the guys immediately they liquidate the position, and you will expect a flash crash over there. Okay, when you have more number of such kind of informations, okay, these are all the retail traders activity. Okay, intraday players activity is being revealed via the profile charts. Okay, so that's what you call it as a small hyphens over here. That is what you call as a intra-bar halfback. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's start the process, and what happens actually we'll see. Okay, so here you see that another important information is this. Check this third and fourth period bar B and C. Lows are very close to each other. Okay, again this is a weaker low. I call it as a weak low. Okay, more chances there it is to be get cleared. Okay, so weak low is there. Okay, another important information. Let this bar complete. The fourth bar it completes around 10:45. It gets completed. Okay, it's completed. Okay, fourth bar. Okay, let me wait for this fourth bar to get completed. It completes around 11:15, I think. So let's wait. Here are there are multiple informations are there. That's what I'm trying to point it out. Okay, these informations will be available if you're watching in a live session. Okay, live session, there are so many informations, interesting informations to watch in a live market. It will be very critical to your trading. Okay, that's why I use an optimum TPO size so that small micro informations are visible for me. So here you see that it's a very critical information. One is that this is a weaker reference, right? One references we have. So let me clear all the drawings. So this is one reference, one information is there. Okay, retail traders are participating here. Why? In the sense they are buying exactly at the B period low. Okay, second half an hour low and third half an hour low is exactly the same. So this is the first weaker references we have over here. And moreover, what happened is it took out the poor highs on 21st May, and still we are trading inside that particular range. So if buyers are strong, they should have done activity over that poor high above that 21st May profile. But they are doing some kind of activity over here, right? And here is your point of control. So point of control is completely migrated below the 21st May profile. So this market is not going to go up. Okay, unless if you are not interested to take short, it's okay, you can stay away, no problem. But don't go and bet longs on this market. Okay, because the point of control is already established over here. 4 TPOs are got, you've got 4 TPOs over here. Point of control is shifted below the range. So buyers are not seriously looking good over here. Moreover, we are seeing a weaker information. This is one weak information that these two lows are very close to each other. Another one important information you see over here. Okay, let me clear this mess for you. Another important information, what you see is that it's very minute information. You can see the C period halfback is there, right? C period halfback is this blue color line, blue color bar. Okay, you see the next period low, that is D period. Okay, this is D period. Okay, the D period low is exactly the halfback, that is called the intra-bar halfback of C period. So exactly at that middle point, okay, midpoint of C period, traders are coming and buying. Okay, and buying and going. This is one another information. So these are informations for a shorting opportunity. Okay, this is another second weaker references we are having. Two informations are there. This is a weaker reference. These are all the informations favoring shorts. Okay, two intraday references are there. And of course, the confidence is very poor. That means buying confidence is very, very poor over here because point of control is migrated below the multi-day breakout range. This is also favoring the short, but you cannot go and create a short over here. Why? Because you see that these are all the informations you are favoring your short. Okay, but there is some other conflicting information is there. You can see these highs, B period high and C period and D period high, right? A, B, C and D. Okay, so B period high and C period highs are very close to each other. So that means it is a poor high. It's a poor high. So you have how many informations are there? 4 informations are there. One is intra-bar halfback is there. This is favoring the short. Another one information is there, that is these lows of weak. Again, it's favoring a short. And it's a low confidence buying. Again, it's favor of short. But it is not good to go and play short over here when you see this information because you have a conflicting information over here. Okay. So what happens is you need to wait for a clearance. Either these intra-bar halfback references or these weak lows get cleared. Okay, lows get cleared. Any one information should vanish. So now here we have multiple conflicting informations. Even though we have much informations in our favor, there is one set information which is not in our favor. So let's wait for a few minutes or few hours, maybe another 1 hour. Let us wait whether the point of control migrates down or not. Okay, whether point of control migrates down or else this information gets vanished. If this information gets vanished, you can play the other informations, right? That is my bias for the particular day. When I was looking this chart, I was okay. I was not interested to go longs at all. Obviously, I didn't take any shorts in HDFC Bank, but I was watching the action. Okay, I thought, okay, confidence is low. Okay, fine. Let me not try out any longs in this counter. That's what the anticipation was. Okay, so let's wait and see whether this gets cleared. If it gets cleared, then you can play the remaining game over here because it adds more confirmation. Why? Because If you go and jump and create a short over here, where will you keep your stop losses? You will definitely keep your stop losses above the day high. Again, it's a weaker high. Smart money knows that stops are above this level, so definitely they will hunt your stops and market will go in the in your favor. Okay, so these are some of the minute informations you may not notice, or you may not give much important attention to these informations. Okay, these are minute informations which saves you many times from getting hunted by the big guys. Okay, let's wait and see whether which information is valid and which information is going to be vanished. Let me play that charts for you again. Let me clear out all these drawings. Yeah. Now see this bar, how it is reacting at this level. Here the movement, until this the movement was very slow. Once it takes the day high, okay, the day high, what happens? Movement was very fast like that. It goes like a very high tempo. It indicates that stops are there. Stops are at that level. Okay, it goes and in a flash it takes out. So what happens after taking out? So after taking out, what happens? It's again coming back into the range. It's not a good buying actually. It's a stop hunting game. If you have taken a short over and you put a stop loss over here, definitely they would have hunted your stops and market goes in the opposite direction. You will be regretting all the day sitting and thinking of that particular activity. Okay, so this poor high information is getting vanished over here, and we are having other informations are there. I can see that this is one information we need to tag, and this is another information, and obviously the point of control is a confidence level. So what happens is clear the stops coming down. Okay, coming down. Now once this bar is over, okay, around 11:45, somewhere around, this bar gets completed. Once it is over, then you can anticipate shorts. Okay, otherwise if you have created short somewhere around here and put a stop loss over here, definitely it will hunt your stop. They are going to hunt your stops. Okay, once that information is vanished, okay, once that information is not there, now you can go and play the short. See how it is nicely coming and clearing this first figure reference is targeted. Now we can go and play this game. This is the next target. Okay, all these weaker intraday weaker references will get cleared. Wait and watch how it happens. When it reaches that level, it goes in very fast tempo. That means stops are there. A lot of stops are built around that level. Similarly, when you see this day low getting broken, it's again at a faster tempo. Okay, so all this happens at a very faster rate. That what happened now? It's a very fast crash. Okay, hardly 100 points it went. I think it's a very fast crash. It took out previous day low. All weaker references, all structures, poor structures, whatever structures we have, everything got cleared and we got back into the range. Okay, so this is how you could anticipate these kind of market generated informations in a minute way. Okay, all these intrabar halfback references, weak lows, everything got cleared. But imagine that, okay, imagine that you have created shorts somewhere around here. Okay, imagine that you have created shorts on seeing these weaker informations before this fall happened and before this weak high getting cleared. Imagine that you seen all these weaker informations. So, okay, you go and jump and create a short at somewhere around here and I put a stop loss over here. Definitely a stop will be hunted and you see the fall after that. We don't know this kind of fall, but we can anticipate towards these levels. I don't know if this big fall is going to come, but I know that these are the targets which we need to play on the downside. This is one target and this is second target. You can play that according to your risk profile. Okay, so if you have kept stops at unwanted locations, okay, smart money would like to hunt it and move it in the opposite direction. So that's what happened in HDFC. It's a flash crash of 100 points there. Okay, these are all the small minute informations which I look to play a high accuracy game, okay, along with the big trading people over there, big trading money over there. Okay, or what you call as an operator over there. Okay, he knows what the retail trading community is going to do, how they will do, what kind of behavior retail traders are there. Everything will be taken care of with smart money, and they are throwing out these informations to you to understand and act accordingly. Okay, so got it. So this is the information which I want to convey to you, that there are a lot of market generated informations are there, and everything happens for a reason. Nothing in markets, nothing happens as just like that. Okay, everything happens for a reason. Okay, and you're supposed to anticipate it. We need some, what do you say, some vital informations to anticipate that these kind of fall or a trending move is going to come. Okay, most of the times we can anticipate. Every day, of course, every day we cannot anticipate, but most of the days we can anticipate it. Okay. Okay, guys, bye for the day. Let me see you in some other video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.